Welcome to TechHub.training. So we're gonna talk about how to use CELONIS to do process mining, and let's start it. First of all, we're gonna go to your browser and try to upload the file that we provided. So then we're gonna try to configure and then mapping your data. So this part should be straightforward, just to allocate the case ID to the proper column, activity name to the proper column, timestamp, and also the resource. After that, we just gotta wait for 30 seconds for it to process our data, and then we can analyze it. Okay, let's explore my process. Here you can see there's a few questions that we can ask, so it can show us how our process look like. First of all, we're going to go here to see a comprehensive overview of our process. Here are like the number of cases, and here is our process explorer. You can zoom in and zoom out to see how it's go, but I'll click the plus sign over here to see if there's any unwanted activities. And here you can see that's the 23 invoice rejected, and which makes some lead time, causing inefficiency in our process. This should be one of your key analysis in your paragraph for the solution. Let's go to another question that's gonna have a key ratio that we need to find, which is the hit rate ratio. So you will go back and then click create exploration, and then select the second question over here to see the total throughput time and see the hit rate. So overall, out of 100 cases, we're hitting the target at a 54% rate, and this meaning that out of 100 cases over here, well, there's only 54 cases that have the throughput time as 23 days or less. So that should be most of the key ratios that you need for your solution. And one last thing that you should do is just to make some suggestions to overcome the bottleneck problem. This can be any suggestions vary from improving the approval process or trying to have segregations of duties, so there would be a much lesser throughput time. Well, thank you, and have a good one.